it's a broke laptop. You can see it's not worth.
What is the benefit with this broke laptop, and I'm gonna show you how to fix this laptop. That means in the different way. This might be a broke lap, but what is the benefit? Just wait and
I
see.
just find this from the garbage. I just found this from the garbage. You can also can get like one day. Maybe your laptop will be broke one day. So see fully video. What is the benefit with this laptop? I'm just showing only one today. One by one, I will show. Okay, just carefully remove the hard disk place. Okay, I just already removed and kept that. That's why I just so easily remove that. After that, don't get hurry and slowly get your hard out. Okay, don't get hurry and look at the hard drive. It's not like a computer hard disk. It's like a, small portable hard disk size. You have a using portable hard disk that size. Look at this hard drive, Toshiba. It's 250 GB. You can see it's 250 GB. So it's really worth for you guys because a pen drive 2 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB, it's getting stuck. Maybe in 64 GB someday the pen drive will broke. You can't get anything. But hard drive not like that. Okay, you can use this hard drive like a portable pen drive. Or you can't carry away this hard drive like this. And I just showing to you how to use this. Okay, have they have a box and they're giving a say kit and plug into the I mean hard disk. Just fix, so easily fix and remove. Okay, just if you once fix, can't remove, not like that, you can remove and you can fix again. Okay, something like that. Okay, they're giving the data cable, it's a 3 point. Okay, just look at the cable, just slowly fix this. It's really more than worth with the pen drive. Compare with the pen drive and compare with the other portable hearts. Maybe some portable hearts are I mean per second only 10 MB, even not copying it, they're getting 5 MB or something. So it's really worth and it's really fast work. You can carry any everywhere. It's so small because look at this, I can hold this. Okay, I'm just fix and I just showing to you how to fix this. Okay, just look at this. If you fix that, they no one can find it's a laptop hard, no one can find. So just look at this. I don't want to fix because I already have many hard disks, so I have only this same kit, so I'm just keeping like the same. Okay, now I'm showing to you how it's work or not. Okay, just look at this. If you plug into the computer, they blink the light. Okay, now you can check this hard disk perfectly working. Okay, now this hard was perfectly working. So just look at the this monitor, laptop. It's okay. Now see system received, and you can see the system received showing like a edge. Okay, I have a 4 partition, C D E F. So after that only it will show. This hard drive have a 2 partition. With the system received 3 partition. So this is a C drive. Look at that. The Windows and program file and program file 64. See, I have a 4 partition, extra 3 partition. This hard drive partitions. So now you can see, guys, this is work perfectly. If you format the full hard drive, it's like a 250 GB, like a portable hard. You can carry everywhere. It's so easy and it's really safe. You can put the password also. It's more than worth with the pen drive or portable hard because it's so fast. Okay, and safely removes like a pen drive. So don't get any errors with this. Okay, so you can use this and safely remove. Okay, safe to receive your hardware. Okay guys, now if you have a broke laptop, do like this, you can get the new hard disk. Okay, thanks for watching my video and please share and subscribe. Okay, I mean, please once again share my videos. Thank you.